This is my K-Swap 1987 325 IS. It has a whopping 106 miles since doing the swap, and we've already run into a couple bugs. Now, this is just really part of the process in a project like this. It's a very common trope for E30s or BMWs in general to have oil leaks, and despite replacing the engine with a non-BMW engine, we are leaking oil. We've got leaks at the oil pressure sensor, the VTEC solenoid, a couple other places we're going to look around, and on top of that, the water pump is bad. So let's get to it. First up, I just need to remove the intake to make some room. Then I remove the lower radiator hose to drain all the coolant. Next, I started to remove everything that would let me get the valve cover off. Then I removed the VTC solenoid so I could replace the gasket. I didn't realize until later, but my camera was way off so you couldn't see what I was doing at all, but I'm removing the tensioner. With the belt removed, it was time to remove the crank pulley next. It's easy to fit an impact in this roomy engine bay. Finally, it's time to remove all the bolts that hold the chain case cover on. I also had to remove the power steering pump to gain access to the VTC screen. Now it's time to clean the block and remove any old Honda bond. I stuffed some paper towels into this gap and oil pans so big chunks wouldn't fall in. Next, I cleaned up the actual case itself. I also used a tap to clear out the threads. Finally, it's time for a new crank seal. It actually takes a little more precision than I show here. I've got everything cleaned up on the block side and everything cleaned up on the case side. So now it's time to put it together with the Honda Bond. I got all my bolts cleaned up. I got everything ready to go. So let's start. Now, last time I was very careful with my Honda Bond and it leaked. So this time I'm just going to put a lot more and smear it around. Oh my god, I forgot this. We're gonna have to start over. Now we got the case all sealed. It's time to replace these gaskets that were compromised. I don't know how well you can see this, but right here, this piece of the gasket has failed. The whole thing is super flat. Safe to say it has run its course. Now onto this part here. This gasket is also completely flat. Alright, we get everything more or less resealed. Now it's time to do the water pump, which is going to get pretty messy. Now, you're not really supposed to put Honda Bond on the water pump, but the block was a little bit pitted and the previous owner had used some and it didn't leak, so I'm just going to follow that. Last up, I need to reseal my oil pressure setup. So this is the Honda sensor, and this is the sender that goes to my dash. Unfortunately, I broke the end of it off while I was taking it out, so I have to replace it. But I've had problems with these leaking. This one actually blew out. You could see where the problem is. I'm going to try using this Permatex thread sealant. Hopefully this will do it, and we'll let it cure for a while before putting it back on the car. So now we just got to let that cure and we can install it back into the car. So I'm going to end the video there. All that's left to do is change the oil, fill in the coolant, bleed the system, and tidy everything back up. No need to really go over all that. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, these videos take a lot of time and effort, and my last video really took off, and it's my best video ever, and it got like 3 times my whole subscriber count just on my video. And yeah, it feels really good. So thanks for watching. Again, it takes a lot of effort. So to get the energy back in the form of people giving comments and encouraging all that, it really feels good. So thank you.